Hi, my name is Klavs. I'm your inspector today. Inspecting this Mini for you. Recommend do the full car history checks if the vehicle haven't been written up. There's no advisories on a V5C. However, just to let you know, here has been a significant crash on this corner. There's slight gap issues. It doesn't look like something has been moved or so the structural panel's been replaced, but that had a hit. The bumper, the front bonnet has been resprayed. Again, feel runs visually looking can be noticed. So this door has been resprayed with high readings of the paint thicknesses. Vehicle has significant amount of scratches, blemishes, age-related. A few minor dings. I think one is around here. A significant amount of scratches. Parking sensors not working. Bumper slightly twisted. That was probably through the previous impact, but it's been repaired. As you can see, these things are broken. You mentioned that there are several scratches on the roof. Again, there are visible long scratches across both doors. There are ding here, and this dirty on that side we can't see. So all the scratch code runs all the way around here. 5mm on tires. Discs, brake discs, pads, at least 50% left. Interior showing heavy wear and on roof liner needs good clean. There are damages on both rear door cards, quite significant. Front again, just general wear and tear. Nothing to the damage. This unit here, the menu, nothing is working. There's no fault codes coming up. Regards to that, so it would need further investigation. Air conditioning is not working on this vehicle. Mileages are fine. So that is the vehicle. Again, front some scratches, front and rear bumper resprays, marks present. However, engine so far is working alright, cooling system's working alright. There's no abnormal smoke from the exhaust. Engine started quiet for the regards to chain issue. There is a bit of wear developing on our cam lobes, but it's not making rattle noise yet. And accessory belt is cracked, and a bit of wear on the water pump or supercharger wheel. I'll have a look on it, but not making a mistake. When it's cold, you can hear when it's engaging. So that is the vehicle. We'll leave you to decide. Somehow aftermarket repair. It's not an industry repair on here, but I'll leave you to talk about that more on Fixed Business.